How to delete your Telegram account. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To delete your Telegram account, open a Telegram app. Now here on top left hand side of your screen, you can see this hamburger icon, so tap on it. Now tap on settings located on middle of your screen. Again on middle of your screen, you can see this icon, privacy and security, so tap on it. Now scroll down all the way to bottom. And here you will find this option, delete my account, so tap on it. And here you will see this pop-up, self-destruct if inactive for, so here tap on this very first option, 1 month. Now you can see this, delete my account if away for 1 month. So what you need to do is uninstall your Telegram app and don't use it for 30 days. So if you do this, your Telegram account will be automatically deleted. This is all you need to do to delete your Telegram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.